Hi, I'm Tim Jeffers, I'm a personal trainer. I've teamed up with Weight Loss HQ by Treated to bring you helpful info and exercise while using weight loss treatment. So in this video, I'm going to talk you through our exercise plan for beginners. For this plan, you'll only need 3 things: a yoga mat, some resistance bands and a sturdy chair. Aim to do this plan 3 days a week and do the exercises for around 15 to 30 minutes each time. Before you do any workout, it's important to warm up. First, you're going to march on the spot for 2 minutes. This will help you get coordinated for the exercises while we're getting your heart rate up. Next, do some arm circles for 1 minute. The idea here is to loosen up your arms and shoulders by increasing the blood flow to them. Leg swings. This is a dynamic stretch that uses a full range of motion. Do these for 1 minute. Finally, shoulder shrugs for 1 minute. These activate your trapezius muscles, which is ideal before an upper body workout. Now for your exercises. Work for these twice and give yourself a minute's rest in between each circuit. As your fitness starts to build, see if you can move up to 3 circuits. Squats to chair. These target your hamstrings and glutes while working on your core strength. Keep your feet about shoulder width apart as you stand in front of the chair. Gently lower yourself down, and when your buttocks touch the chair, stand back up. Repeat this 8 to 10 times. Wall push-ups. These are a great way of working your chest muscles from an upright position. Facing the wall, place your hands shoulder width apart on it. Bend at the elbows to bring your face slightly towards the wall and extend your arms again. Repeat this 8 to 10 times. Seated leg extensions. Sit on a chair and extend one leg out in front of you, trying to activate your core as you do. Repeat this 8 to 10 times. Extensions like this can help to strengthen your quadricep muscles, which will get you set up for more advanced core exercises down the line. Banded pull aparts. Hold the band out in front of you and slowly pull it apart while keeping your arms straight. As you extend your arms as far apart as you can, try to squeeze your shoulder blades together. These build strength in your shoulder cuffs, which play a big part in those shoulder movements. Do 8 to 10 reps. Plank from knees. Last exercise of the circuit is the plank. Planking is a powerful core strength builder, even though there isn't any movement involved. Keep a straight line from your head down to your knees and hold this position for about 20 to 30 seconds. Once you've done that circuit twice, it's time for your cool down. First up is the seated forward bend. Next up is an upper back stretch. The third stretch is a chest opener. And lastly, we've got a neck and shoulder stretch. And there you have it, guys. Do this routine 3 times a week. It's a great place to start on your weight loss journey. After you've gone from 2 to 3 circuits and you're feeling comfortable, it's time to try out our intermediate routine. Check out our video for this on our channel.